Is your Samsung Galaxy Watch struggling to accurately track your heart rate? You're not alone. The optical PPG sensor, which uses green LEDs to measure blood flow, can be affected by several factors. One common factor is loose fit on the wrist, can prevent proper skin contact. One common factor is dirt or sweat buildup, blocks sensor readings. One common factor is firmware glitches. Software bugs cause errors. One common factor is low battery, affects sensor power. One common factor is underlying hardware defects, manufacturing issues. One common factor is tattoos on the wrist, interfere with light detection. Recent reports indicate that these issues persist in 10 to 15% of cases, even after software updates. Understanding these common causes is the first step to fixing the problem. Before diving into complex solutions, try these quick fixes. First, clean the heart rate sensor on the back of your watch with a soft microfiber cloth. For stubborn grime, use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol, following Samsung's guidelines. Then, ensure the watch is snug but not too tight on your wrist, about a finger's width from your wrist bone. Finally, perform a soft reset by holding down the power button until the watch restarts. This clears temporary software glitches that might be affecting the sensor's performance. According to user forum anecdotes, these simple steps often resolve the issue. Software solutions are often the first line of defense against heart rate sensor issues. Samsung regularly releases updates to fix bugs and improve accuracy. Start by ensuring both your Galaxy Watch and the Galaxy Wearable app are running the latest versions. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone, then go to Watch Settings, select Watch Software Update, and download and install any available updates. Once updated, recalibrate the heart rate sensor to ensure optimal performance. In the Samsung Health app, navigate to the heart rate settings and select the calibration option. This process helps the watch reestablish an accurate baseline for readings, especially useful after firmware updates or sensor maintenance. The Galaxy Wearable app version 2.2.01 and later includes AI-driven diagnostics to help troubleshoot heart rate sensor issues. First, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Navigate to the Watch Settings section within the app. Look for Diagnostics or Sensor Diagnostics in the Settings menu. The AI-driven diagnostics feature will scan for sensor errors and recommend specific fixes. This proactive approach identifies potential problems and guides you through the necessary steps, potentially saving you a trip to a service center. This AI integration represents a key trend in wearable health technology, aiming for personalized calibration and reduced sensor errors. If software solutions fail, the problem might be hardware-related. Check for physical damage to the sensor area, such as cracks or loose components. Examine the sensor lens for any clouding or discoloration that cleaning can't remove. If you suspect a hardware issue, contact Samsung support or visit an authorized service center. Note that a sensor calibration flaw led to a recall of Watch 5 and 6 models in 2024, so it's worth checking if your device was affected. PPG sensors can be less accurate on darker skin tones due to differences in light absorption. If you have darker skin, consider enabling ECG add-ons for more precise readings as recommended by experts. While PPG sensors are generally 90% accurate, they may underperform in diverse demographics. Keep in mind that these sensors are also susceptible to interference from external light sources, so ensure you're in a well-lit area when taking readings. If troubleshooting steps fail, contact Samsung support for further assistance. Check your watch's warranty status. Hardware failures are often covered. Provide detailed information about the issue, including the steps you've already taken. Samsung's official support pages emphasize software fixes, but hardware replacements are available if necessary. Remember to back up your watch data before sending it in for repair. The future of wearable heart rate monitoring involves hybrid sensors combining PPG and ECG technologies for enhanced accuracy and AI-driven personalized calibration. Expect improved battery life and integration with telemedicine for remote doctor consultations. However, privacy concerns regarding data sharing remain a challenge, with evolving regulations like GDPR extensions impacting user consent. By 2030, AI could reduce sensor errors by up to 20%, but sensor durability will continue to be a crucial factor. As technology advances, expect modular designs for easier repairs.